guys, so today what we're going to be doing is that we're going to make, today I'm going to show you many different AI tools for different things. The first one is 11 Labs. We can make text to speech. Let's go over here and narrate a story. Okay.
In a quiet village where the sky brushes the fields.
Let's see which we want. Story.
Hello! Haha! Ako si Boses Cartoons. Kung gusto nyo ng boses ng Hello! Haha! Ako si Boses...
Alright, let's roll. This is going to be one hell of an adventure.
Haja Bulbul.
Hi, I'm Kelly. Southern raised, purpose driven, and rooted.
God has given you one face, and you make yourself another. God has given you one face, and you make yourself another.
Let's regenerate speech.
In a quiet village where the sky brushes the fields in hues of gold, young Mia discovered a map leading to forgotten treasures. Little did she know, her cat Whiskers had a secret. He was the guardian of the map, tasked with guiding Mia.
So this is where we will make text to speech. Now the next thing we are going to do is that the second one is ideogram AI right over here, and let us get a prompt for a picture through ChatGPT. Give me a prompt for a picture. Okay. Let's Control C. It's generating over here, and there are many different pictures over here as well. Okay, so over here we have it. Which one looks the best? I think this one is better. So we can download it from over here, and we can also reference it. We can give it as a reference, and all there we can get 4 each. Over here the cars are more detailed. Over here you can see lights. In here you can see a road, and this is for cover. Alright, the next one is Lovable Dev. We can make websites with this app website. Let us tell him make a prompt for website. Let's log in first. So now that I have logged in to Lovable, let's do this. Now over here we have gotten us our website. In this side panel we have to write the changes we want to make. And also we can ask about the code. It will give us the code, and we can use VS Code to make the website. Next one is Halo AI, and we can make a video over here. Let us get a prompt. Video. Okay. Oh, where is it? Okay. You get 100 credits a day. Let's create it. It takes quite a while, so let's wait. So over here we have gotten us the video. It's studying over here, but you can't study over here. So this is the thing. This is the video for this prompt. And I have made many other videos, like, see this one? It's about a bloody redhead girl. It looks quite creepy. So this Hello AI, it's personally one of my favorite video generators, and I just love it. Now what we have over here is Leonardo AI. There we can make images. Delete image. Over here we have many things, so let's see which one should we use. We can even use anime, lightning, and the newest one is lucid realism, so let's use that. Generate it. Okay, so over here we have gotten our image. The most accurate image is the first one over here, with books that are flying, a fox, and a very hidden image. So we can download this image from over here. And now the next one we are going to be going to is Meshy AI. Over here we can make a 3D model by just giving them an image. Make me a prompt for the image that I can use for 3D image generation later. About a character. Hands, feet, all straight, no pose. The prompt. Okay, so lastly we have got over here Ludo.ai. We can make games from over here. Let us make a playable generator, create a new one, and describe a game. Generate playable. After a while we have gotten us our game over here, so let's restart our game. We fought off our enemies. Okay, so over here we have gotten us many things and ask for changes. We can ask for changes over here. Let us make some changes that make the player shoot fireballs. Well, you can get the code over here. Okay, so this is the code. And these are the changes. Let's go preview. Look, now we can shoot fireballs with the fire gauntlet. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you liked this video and see you next time. Bye!